In this video, I will show you how to use Vitiligo Bee Venom cream right here. So our Vitiligo Venom cream is actually a topical cream that needs to actually address vitiligo, which is a condition causing skin pigmentation loss by utilizing the bee venom's properties. So to use this, you can head over and then buy this first on Amazon, but make sure to brand it or to buy it from well-known brands. So first thing you need to do is to wash the affected area with mild cleanser and pat it dry. Now gently squeeze a small amount of this cream at your fingertip and then apply the cream to the affected area and massage it thoroughly until it's absorbed into the skin. Now, after that, allow the cream to remain on the skin for at least 15 minutes and then use the cream 2 to 3 times daily for optimal results. Now, from there, you can just head over and then just wait it to dry altogether. Always wash your hands thoroughly after each application of this cream as well. Now, bee venoms can stimulate melanocytes, which is the cells responsible for skin pigmentation, potentially aiding in your pigmentation right there. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.